Okay, this is an example of a graphic organizer you can make for your integrated units, and what each color represents is possibly a different class. So these two colors represent a reading class that we take, and there's Energy Gamble, Electric Cars, and actually this was a movie. But these both have to do with energy. Now in science, we can make a connection because of weather. So then we take a blue square for weather in science, and then we'll take a bunch of notes on the circles that will come out of this. And then we'll take, with a different subject like geography, we'll go to the chapter on the people's effect on the environment, and then we'll do some circles for facts for that. And then if we want to tie in some math, we'll do graphing and data and area and volume. We could do a bunch of things as far as weather and people's effect on the weather and pollution. So every subject can have a different color, and that would be a square, and the data would be in these circles. Okay, and when you get going, a baseball answer would be, what impact do people have on the environment and the weather? Okay, and so you can ask that question. Your single question would be, what you think? I think. But then as you go through it, just like our normal baseball answers, you're going to start adding things to it. So this is your support from other classes, from text, okay? Text connections. And then when we went to the triple, we want some personal connections. And with the personal connections, you can also make connections to movies and any kind of background knowledge. Then on the home run answer is text, personal, and global connections. And think about how the entire planet is affected by personal choices about commuting and plastic usage and things like that. Here's some examples of some posters we've made.
Awesome poster.
Oh, that's Chinese tech. Okay, yeah. These are sources that will go into our science paper we're writing. But it has different sources. And we use the color coding to say where we got the information from. So if you're reading someone's paper and they don't have enough information about a certain subject, what you can do is send someone over and go, oh, you don't have enough pink in your paper, which might mean this. You don't have enough references to health. Okay? And these are the kind of notes. They took notes on a book called Electric Cars. They talk about some some positives. Okay. So basically you're going to make a big poster with different colors for each subject of the day. And then find a question that can link through them so that somebody can assemble something that makes sense and goes together.